Here is a new drone video update from the Giga Berlin showing Tesla's progress with the Gigafactory for construction. Hello everyone, this is Armen Harayan from Torque News with another update from the Giga Berlin showing you how much work Tesla has done by now and how the Gigafactory 4 construction area looks by now. Our friend from Grunheit, Germany, sent this drone video of the Giga Berlin taken today, Saturday, February 29, 2020. Jurgen tweets at GF4 Tesla, GF4, 4 as number 4, GF4 Tesla, where you can follow his daily tweets as well. But before I show you the video, please subscribe to our channel and enable the ring notifications so you don't miss our next update from the Tesla Giga Berlin coming later today and showing how the electrification is progressing on the field. Lots of wires. Please also like this video to appreciate Jurgen's work. Okay, I think that was a nice video showing the drone view of the Tesla Giga Berlin. Tesla has strict rules for the drone flights over the Gigafactory. This is why this drone video shows the Giga Berlin from a little distance. I like the music, by the way. Did you too? As I reported yesterday, the employees seem to be calling off for the weekend. This is why you saw a calm Giga Berlin and not much happening today. Jurgen said he took the video from about 100 meters high, which is about 330 feet high. By the way, did you notice that even without the trees, the terrain still looks very green, especially when the sun looks through the clouds? Well, thanks for watching. Please like this video and let us know if you may have any questions by posting them in the comments section below. Please also subscribe to our channel and look for my next report about the Giga Berlin's electrification work and stay in touch. Have a blessed day and see you in the next video.